Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Make dancing ghosts. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. I will be using Damien's hair for this experiment.
Wow!
Oops.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa. Wow. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. Rubbing the balloon on your hair builds electrons with negative charge on the surface of the balloon. Your tissue paper ghost has positive charge, which results in the opposite charges being attracted and the ghost moving. If you do not tape down your tissue paper ghost, it will stick to the balloon.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.